writing style engaging. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something that might sound a bit daunting but is incredibly rewarding. Mastering your home's electrical setup. So let's get started. First off, when planning your house's electrical installation, it's crucial to understand the basics of your electrical system. Think of your home as a big circuit board where electricity flows through a network of wires hidden behind the walls. Now, the heart of this system is the electrical panel. This is where the main power line enters your house. And from here, power is distributed to different circuits. It's like the manager of your electrical team, making sure that power is sent where it's needed and cutting it off when there's trouble. Let's talk about planning. You'll want to create a detailed diagram of your home, marking all the places where you'll need power outlets, lights, and any special appliances that require more juice, like stoves or air conditioners. It's a bit like drafting the game plan before the big match. Knowing where everything goes is key. Next, consider the types of wiring and outlets you'll need. For areas prone to moisture, like kitchens and bathrooms, you'll need outlets that are ground fault circuit interrupter, GFCI, protected. This is super important for safety because it helps prevent electrical shocks. And here's a pro tip. Think about future-proofing your home. As technology evolves, you might find yourself needing more power in more places. Adding extra outlets now could save you a lot of hassle down the road. Plus, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to electrical setups. Remember, while DIY projects are exciting, electrical work can be complex and risky. If you're not sure about something, always call in a professional electrician. Safety first, right? And there we have it, a quick guide to planning your house's electrical installation. Armed with this knowledge, you're now ready to take on this challenge and make your home safer and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. See you next time.